A car seat is a must-have for your baby safety and for your growing family. And bonus if it's loaded with extras and simple to install. I am going to walk you through my 8 favorite things about the KeyFit Max Zip ClearLux, the latest addition to the popular Chicco KeyFit infant car seat lineup. It's a super easy to install infant car seat that will get your baby from birth through 30 pounds and up to 32 inches. Let's get going with number 8, working down to number 1, my favorite thing about this car seat. Chicco knows that getting a wiggly baby in and out of a car seat can sometimes feel like an Olympic sport. Because of that, they designed these nifty magnet buckle holders right here that hold the harness buckles and make the seat nice and open to get in and out of. No fishing around for straps or trying to reach under your wiggly baby. Most infant car seats seem light before you put a baby in it, but this one is only 10 pounds. And the handle is easy to carry thanks to its ergonomic design. You can actually adjust the carry handle up and down using one hand. Babies have the softest skin ever, and that soft skin is usually pretty sensitive. But when you touch the fabric of this car seat, you're gonna be like, ooh, that's nice. That's because it's made of premium materials like this merino wool blend. Even though the fabric is totally soft and luxe, it's still free from anything sus, like flame retardants. It's also Green Guard Gold certified, which means there are no shady chemicals lurking in the fabric. And because messes are inevitable, the seat pad comes off pretty easily if you need to wash it. Babies need a lot of gear, so it makes sense that anything that is going to extend the life of that gear is going to be smart in our books. That's why the number 5 thing that stands out about the KeyFit Max Zip ClearLux is its extended use. Some other infant car seats max out at 30 inches, but this gives you 2 more inches for baby to grow into. Your baby will most likely outgrow the car seat in height before weight, so having those extra few inches is super helpful. So where do those 2 extra inches come from? First, the anti-rebound bar gives baby more leg room. Then the Easy Extend headrest system has 5 positions and raises with the harness to accommodate growth up to 32 inches tall. So again, you can keep your little one in the same rear-facing car seat for longer. Another thing that we really appreciate about this car seat is that it's compatible with almost all of Chicco's strollers. When you want to get out and go, the car seat snaps right into the stroller frame. And because the Chicco KeyFit line is such a popular choice among parents, the seat is also compatible with many other strollers, like the Mockingbird, Up Baby, Jules, Bugaboo. On to my 3rd most standout part of this car seat, this canopy. Chicco did not skimp on the fabric. There's a privacy shield that zips out of the canopy and it covers all the way down to baby's feet. This is great for shade on sunny days. You can even unzip the canopy to reveal these mesh panels, which are great for both keeping an eye on your baby without having to awkwardly try to peer in on the seat and to increase airflow. My second standout feature is all about that base. There are 2 ways to install this seat with or without a base, but most prefer installing with a base. Why? Because the base allows you to just click in the seat and you're ready to go. There are also some superhero features on the base that make installation a breeze, like the Super Cinch Force Multiplying Latch Tightener that gives you a secure fit with a fraction of the effort. And the steel reinforced belt system guides you to a secure installation with the vehicle belt by showing you exactly where to insert the vehicle seat belts. And all of these things contribute to the number 1 standout feature of the Chicco KeyFit Max Zip ClearLux, which is the easy install. Chicco is well loved around the world for its ease of use, and this seat offers a super sturdy install thanks to the built-in checks and balances. How easy is it? Well, I'll show you right now with the standard latch installation. First, level the base with your seat. Just pull this orange lever until the bubble in the indicator is centered. Then pull up this lever here at the top of the base and loosen the latch straps. You'll then pull the latch connectors out of their little compartments on the back. Next, find the latch anchor bars on the seat of your car. Once you find them, click the connectors onto the anchor bar. Tighten the latch straps by pulling up on the latch pull strap at the top of the base, while at the same time pressing the base firmly into the seat. Roll up the rest of the latch pull strap and put it into the storage slot, and then click in the car seat. So there you have it, my 8 favorite things about the Chicco KeyFit Max Zip ClearLux. From the harness buckle holders to that deluxe canopy to the super simple installation. What else do you want to know about this car seat? Drop a note in the comments below. I hope this helps.